Hello, my name is Kenny Santoso. I'm a student in Petra Krishna University, majoring in International Business Management. I'm in the 7th semester and this is my last year, so after this I will graduate from Petra Krishna University. This video was made on behalf of Professor Dr. Casey Chan. And in this video I will share my experience after I've studied for 7th semester in International Business Management, and also I want to know whether I'm ready to go to the real business world or not. And since I was taught by Professor Dr. Casey Chan, I also want to share some of the knowledge that Professor Dr. Casey Chan already taught about how to prepare yourself to enter the real business world. To explain further, I will use the help of action learning framework so that we can understand the thing that I'm trying to share better.
This is the action learning framework. The first one, I will explain about what do I know about holistic thinking of myself. Also, I need to have critical and system thinking so that I know what I need to know myself, who I want to be, how will I achieve it, and when will I achieve it. However, in the middle of the implementation, my strategy might go wrong or right. So I need to know where it will go wrong or right. After all of that, I can learn and analyze where I could improve. Now, let's start with what. In here, I will talk about my individual competence and I will measure it using Big 5 tests, GED tests, and learning style tests. Also, my team capacity will be measured with Belbin's 9 team roles. For my organizational capability, will be measured with leadership self-assessment. Starting with learning style. Here, as we can see from the result, I am more to the pragmatist and activist, which means that I tend to learn by doing and love to practice new things that I've learned in the real world. But not to forget that sometimes I need to check the fact before I do something, because in my theories I am still lacking. Next, we will talk about my GED test. Here, from the result, we know that I am a creative person and try to strive for success, because as we can see here at the need for achievement and drive and determination, it is very high. But sometimes I am still going to hesitate to execute my strategy since I am still calculating all the risks. On the Big 5 personality test, it can be seen that I'm an extrovert person and I like to try new things. Also, I like to take other opinions because I like trying new things and come out from my comfort zone. I don't easily get anxious when I'm doing new jobs, but sometimes I'm still disorganized when I'm doing my jobs. For the team capacity, here I tend to work as a strategy maker rather than the finisher or completer. So I like to delegate tasks more than being a completer or the finisher. I also like to work together with the team rather than working alone. Next is leadership self-assessment. Here, the result shows that I'm already good at leadership. I am best at communicating, lead my team for a change, and motivate and inspire my team to do a better job. However, I still need to focus more on training my negotiating skill. And based on the 5 test results, I am already good at individual capacity, team capacity, and organizational capability. So, at this level, I am good as a contributing team member. However, in the future, I still need to enhance my skill so that I can become a professional coach. After all of the tests, it is not enough. I still need to know my 4 best attributes that can describe me best. And later on, it will be used on the self-assessment. And now, based on the 5 tests, my attributes are energetic, committed, innovative, and optimistic. I am very energetic when it comes to daily activity because I like to move more rather than sitting on a chair. Also, I am very committed when it comes to an assignment or a job because for me, it's my responsibility to finish the job that has been given to me. I am a very innovative person when it comes to solving problems. And the last one, I am optimistic when I'm doing my job, and it makes my job easier since I'm optimistic that the result will be good. And since I am more comfortable in delegating tasks and also in solving problems, my attributes are good to become a sales and marketing director. The next part, why should I know my personality? It is because I need to know what my specialization is and to check whether it is aligning with my learning styles. Why do I need to know my learning styles? To understand myself better in terms of accepting new knowledge and enhance my role in a team. Why do I need to know my roles in the team? So that I can contribute more on the team and choose the most suitable leadership style for me. Why do I need to know my leadership styles? So that I know in what parts should I improve my leadership skills. Why do I need to know my entrepreneur skills? So that I know what kind of improvement needed to become a successful entrepreneur in the future. And from there, I know my management, leadership, and also my technopreneurship skills. The next part is who I want to be. Based on my attributes and my passion, I want to become a sales and marketing director. To become that person, I still need a lot of things to do, since I only have the basic knowledge about that job. And the next part, who is going to support me? Of course, myself, parents, international business management, my major, and also the company that I'm going to work at. In the next part, I'll explain about how's my plan to become the sales and marketing director. In here, I will use the help of IPO framework to help me explain. Starting from the output, which is my goal, it is to become a sales and marketing director. In order to achieve that, the input is I need to have plans to achieve my goal, and also I need to learn more about the job. For example, after graduating from IBM, I will work as marketing and sales executive. And then, in the process, I will need to execute the plan. But it is not easy since I still need to gain more experience to gain more knowledge on the field. And for the last part, I also need to control it by using key performance indicator and try to improve it year by year. And the next question is, when will I achieve it? Here, the plan is, after I graduate in year 2018, I will work as sales and marketing executive in multinational enterprise. And after that, I will take my master's degree in University of Bath in United Kingdom. After that, I will go back to Jakarta to work as marketing and sales manager. Hopefully, in the age of 31, I can become the sales and marketing director in the big multinational enterprise. In the process, developing my skills in the business world might go right or wrong. So that's why it is important for me to have a backup plan in every plan that I have. And now for the last part is, how do I improve myself after knowing what went right and wrong? I will use the help of 6 thinking hats and 6 types of power to help me explain what are the things that I need to improve in the future. Starting from red hat, which is stamina power, I need to have the spirit and perseverance to learn new things and have the passion in the task that I do. For a blue hat, the communicative power, I will need to have more connection so that in the near future, the network or connection might help me to solve upcoming problems and also opening for new opportunities. For white hat, the expert power, I will need to increase my competencies in the area that I'm going to focus on so that I can give something more to the business world or to my company. For the green hat, the adaptive power, I will need to keep on enhancing my skills in management so that I can grab any opportunities that I have. For the black hat, which is the response power, I will need to have a good response in case something goes wrong. And I need to bounce back from the failure and problems that might occur and keep on enhancing my problem solving skills. And now for the last hat, which is blue hat, talking about execution power. I cannot hesitate when I'm making a decision, which means I need to always have a firm decisions by looking at the result holistically. Why? So that I can grab a better visions about what's going to happen with the decision that I make.
So, to conclude this video, I've explained about my personality, my learning style, my career path, and also how will I achieve it, and then integrating all that I've learned in international business management into the real business world. I've learned a lot of things from Professor Casey Chan, especially that you need to have holistic thinking so that you can prepare yourself in the real business world in the future. And so I would like to thank the Professor Casey Chan for the last 4 semesters, and this is the end of this video. Thank you very much.